Here's Chad doing ABCs. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yay! Good job! How about sing the ABCs now? Sing the alphabet song. A, B,
A, B, C, E,
E.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Now I.
No, A, B, C, S, O, U, K, with me.
Yay! Good job! What do you think, Kuya Gio?
That was good.